Hi guys, welcome back to SPTECH YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you about how to download video editors. That video editor name is VIDEOPAD Video Editor. So let's start. Go to Google Chrome and search VIDEOPAD free download. And here you can see VIDEOPAD download now NCH software. Click it and click download now for Windows. So guys, I have already downloaded the NCH software, so let's see how to install it. Go to this PC where you have saved the software. See guys, here you can see VIDEOPAD video editor. Right click on it and run as administrator. Click and give yes. And I accept the line systems and give next. Like this, it's installing. After the install, like this, you should open it. Like this, by add files, you can add any pictures. Like this, you can add everything. And like this, you can adding files and you can add to here. And drag it like this and keep it here. See, like this, you can play it. And if you want to trim it, here you can see trim button. Click it and video track 1 you should trim. Okay, like this button will show. Left click and like this you can do it trimmed. And audio track also like that, only like this. Okay, like that you can, after making this one, again you can add files like by clicking here to this side. You can add. If you want to save the project, here you can see save button. Save like this, any name you can give and you can save. If you want to export the project, click here and click YouTube and give video title, description, category, keywords, and and guys, you should click create. Description is required, and I will give an it and click create. See guys, authorization, and my another video I have told you how to download Opera browser. Now you should go to Opera browser. See, it's loading Opera. It will open normally, and you should give your account, which account you should paste the video, that account, Gmail and password you should give. So I will not give it now. So guys, I think in this video you have learned something. So if you have any problem by downloading NCH software or by uploading video into YouTube, you can comment on below. So subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.